I was a seven-time legislator in Andhra Pradesh before it was bifurcated into two states. Then I've done a very short stint in Parliament and in and out as minister in government and in opposition. And I've got enriched particularly by this experience, and I hope to get further enriched by the experiences of you lovely people.
So what to say on Goa?
I'm looking forward to work for you, work with you rather. For you is a very mild terminology, but work with you. Because if you don't work with the government, the people, if they don't work with the government, our democracy will become imperiled. So we don't want that type of a situation. We want everyone to work unitedly. And when we unite, we are second to none in the world.
गोवा के राज्यपाल होते हैं, मैं उनका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ और उनका वास्ट एक्सपीरियंस जो गवर्नेंस में डेफिनेटली एज ए चीफ मिनिस्टर हमें वो गाइड करेंगे स्टेट के लिए और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के लिए। मैं फिर एक बार गोवा के लोगों की तरफ से और गोवा की सरकार की तरफ से उनका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ और उनके मार्गदर्शन हमें हमेशा के लिए हमें मिले।